students. How are you today? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm wonderful. That's great. It's good to see you in my class today. So, before we start our class today, it's good for us to wake up our brain and our bodies. Are you ready to play the game with me? So, this game called Touch It. In this game, you should listen to my instruction and touch the object as fast as you can. But before, have you turned it on your ears? Beep, beep, beep. That's great. You've already turned it on your ears. So, can we start the game? Alright, let's start the game with me today. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your ears. Touch your mouth. Touch your eyes. Now, touch something in front of you. Touch something behind you. Touch something in the pencil case. Touch something on the table. Can you find the things on the table? Of course. Can you touch something next to you? Touch something under the table. That's great. Give applause first for us. Did you notice what words did I say before? Great. In. What else? On. Under. Next to. Behind. In front of. So those words called prepositions of place. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. Hey students, now I have flashcards with me. What do you see on my flashcards here? A cat and a box. So where is the cat? Do you know where's the cat? In. Good job. Say it together. In. In. The cat is in the box. Say it to your friends. In. 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 The cat is in the box. How do you pronounce this one? On. 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 Say it to your friends. On. 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 The cat is on the box. On. On. Can you pronounce this word? Under. 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 Say it to your friends. Under. Under. Where is the cat? The cat is under the box. The cat is under the box. Can you say this one? Next to. Next to. The cat is next to the box. Now, say it again to your friends. Next to. Next to. Next to. The cat is next to the box. What about this one? Behind. 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 The cat is behind the box. Oh no, the cat is hiding behind the box. Behind. Behind. Say to your friends. Behind. Behind. Okay, great. What about this one? Where is the cat? In front of. In front of. In front of. Say it to your friends. In front of. In front of. The cat is in front of the box. Okay, now let's review it again. How do you pronounce this? In. In. Good job. What about this one? Yes, great. It's on. On. The cat is on the box. What about this one? Under. Yes, under. Can you say this one? Yes, good job. It's next to. Next to. The cat is next to the box. Next to. What about this one? How do you pronounce it? Behind. Behind. And this one? In front of. In front of. The cat is in front of. That's great. Okay, so today we have new words. In, on, under, next to, behind, and in front of. We have 6 new words today. That's great. So look at now. What do I bring here? Yes, a doll. And what about this one? Can you name it? Yes, a box. Okay. Do you want to sing with me together? Yes, that's great. In, on, under, next to. 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 Behind, in front of. Am I do it faster? Alright, now I will say again slower. In, on, under, next to, behind, in front of. Can you sing with me together? In, on, under, next to. In, on, under, next to. In, on, under, next to. Behind, in front of. That's great. So now I want you to close your eyes. Can you close your eyes? Yes. So I will hide the doll, and then you should guess it when you open your eyes. Are you ready? Are you ready to guess where is the doll? Okay. Alright, now close your eyes, please. Now open your eyes. Do you know where is the doll? It's behind me? No, it's not behind me. Yes, that's excellent. It's in the box. The doll is in the box. Now I want you to close your eyes again. Close your eyes, do not open it. Okay. Alright, now open your eyes. Where is the doll? Can you see the doll? Yes, the doll is behind the box. That's excellent. Now close it again. Close your eyes. Okay. Open it again. Where is the doll? Can you see the doll? Yes, so where is the doll? Yes, that's great. It's next to the box. The doll is next to the box. Alright, now close your eyes again. Close your eyes. Do not open your eyes. Okay, now you may open your eyes. Where is the doll? That's great. It's on the box. Now close it again. Where is the doll? Can you see it? Yes, the doll is under. It's under the box. Okay, the last time. Please close it. Close your eyes, please. Where? Now open your eyes. Yes. I'm sure that you can see the doll. Where is the doll now? Yes, that's great. The doll is in front of the box. Alright. You are doing great today. You can answer the question where the things is. That's cool. Alright students, to practice more about prepositions of place, in, on, under, next to, in, on, under, next to, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of. I have pictures with me. Also some words here in the small box. We are going to play matching race. So how to play it, I will divide you into two teams, A and also B. So I will put this picture on the floor and then you should match it, the picture with the word one by one. You should run to match the picture, and the one that can match it correctly and the one that finish it faster will get the star from me. Are you ready to play with me? Let's play it together. Okay students, are you excited for the next game? But before, I want you to name it, the objects around you. What do you see by your eyes? Yes, you see a pencil in front of you, right? What do you see? Okay, that's great. You see whiteboard. That's great. What else? Alright, you see an eraser? Where is? In the pencil case. That's good job. What? Okay, you see what? Oh, ruler. Where? Under the table? Oh, yeah, there's a ruler under the table. You should take it. Alright, students, so for the next game is prepositions hand. So in this game, you should listen to my instructions, and then after that you should looking for the object. If I say put your book on the table, and then you should grab the book and then put it on the table. You should do it faster, okay? If I say put the pencil on the book, and then you should find a pencil and then put it on the book. Just listen to my instructions and do it faster. Are you ready? That's great. Okay, let's start. Put your book on the table. That's great. Now put your backpack on the chair. Alright, you already put the backpack on the chair, right? Then now put your pencil case next to the book. Excellent. Now put the ruler under the table. Okay, next one, put your bottle. Do you have bottle? Yes, that is, you put it where? On the table, right? So put the bottle behind the chair. That's good. Now I want you to put the sharpener, yes, sharpener, in pencil case. That's great. Now I want you to put your bottle in front of the book. Alright, you already listened to my instructions and you are doing it great and fast. Okay, thumbs up for you all. Students, then we have the next activity after this. So in this activity, you're gonna complete the sentence with the prepositions in the box. But don't forget to write your name first. And then here I already given the prepositions here in the box. Then you should match the prepositions here with the sentence. Yeah, match the prepositions with the sentence. So as you can see here, there are many objects. Do you know where it is? Yes, it is in the living room. So there are many objects that you already familiar with. Yes, what do you see here? The guitar, and then what else? Toys. So backpack, laptop, books, and then what is it? A window, and also sofa. So I want you to match, yeah, match the prepositions with the sentence that I already given here. You should match it and fill it, yeah, fill it in the blank here. Okay, so any questions? All right, you understand. Alright, students, thank you for doing great for the Free Fires activity. So, for the next activity, I want you to look around the classroom here. What do you see? The objects. Yes, there are so many objects in the classroom. Can you name it? Book, pencil, pen, a clock. What else? A whiteboard, table. Oh, the chair. What else? Yes, the board. Come again? Alright, poster. So, yeah, there are so many objects in this classroom. So, can you see by your little eyes where those objects are? Alright. Yes, you can because you already learned about what? Prepositions of place. Good job. Now I want you to take a turn with your friends. You should say where something is. Okay? Now please make a line. We can make it 2 lines, and then you should take a turn with your friends and say where something is. If you answer with the correct sentence, I will give you 1 point. Okay? Okay, start with you. Okay, the clock is on the wall. Alright, you got 1 point. The book. Okay, the book is where? On the table. Okay, good job. I'll give you 1 point. Come again? Okay, the board is in front of the chair. Okay, that's correct. And then you? The pencil case? Where's under? No, it's not under. It's not under the table. So where's the pencil cases? Yes, that's correct. The pencil case is on the table. Okay, next. Alright, the ruler. What do you see? Whose ruler is that? Oh, hers. The ruler. Alright, the ruler next to the bottle. Okay. And then you? Oh, yeah. The bottle is behind. Behind what? Oh, behind the chair. Okay, that's excellent. Alright, who else? Oh, you are. Okay, the pencil is in the pencil case. So do you put your pencil in the pencil case? Oh, you put it on the table. So whose pencil case that put in? Whose pencil that put in the pencil case? Oh, her pencil case. Her pencil. All right. Okay, students, you're doing great in all of the activity. So it's time for us to review our lesson today. It's about prepositions of place. Okay, did you still remember our song? Of course, yeah. In, on, under, next to, in, on, under, next to, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of. That's great. Let's review it once. In, on, under, next to, in, on, under, next to, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of. Okay, that's great. Alright, now let's finish with a fun round of Simon Says. Are you ready? So, if I say Simon Says, and then you have to follow my instructions. If I don't say Simon Says, and then you don't have to follow it. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Simon says, put your pencil on your book. Simon says, put your hand on your head. Simon says, put your hand under your chin. Simon says, put your hand next to the chair. Simon says, put your pencil on the table. Simon says, put your notebook in the backpack. Simon says, put your pencil case in your backpack. Simon says, put your hand on the table. Put your hand on your head. Put your hand on your friend's shoulder. Simon says, put your hand on your friend's shoulder. Put your hand on your head. Put your hand on your nose. You follow with my instructions. I didn't say Simon says. Alright, students, that's excellent. You are doing great in all of the activity today about the preposition. So hopefully you can practice it in your daily life. Okay? Alright, that's all for today. And see you next time.